Hello and welcome to Maritime Business Podcasts from ukportsandlogistics.com. We aim to build knowledge, networks and solutions for sustainable international maritime trade. Our partner for this podcast on the options for business development is the Leeds office of DLA Piper. DLA deliver expert legal advice on international trade to their clients and counsel worldwide. Matthew Duncan will examine the options for business expansion in global markets.
My name is Matthew Duncan. I'm an associate at DLA Piper, specialising in commercial contractual matters, both on a national and international basis. There are various reasons why business would want to expand, either into a new geographical market overseas, to look at a new product that they might be able to develop with a third party, or look at production efficiencies in the supply chain. There are various options available to businesses when seeking to expand. Most of these are associated with access to new markets. Therefore, you might be looking at a joint venture, an agency, or a distribution arrangement. And equally, franchising is something which is very popular in certain countries such as the US and Australia. As stated, a joint venture usually involves two or more entities collaborating on a specific project. This might be by taking the form of a new contractual company vehicle, or it might be simply a contractual arrangement. Also, you may want to look at different types of organisations, joint ventures such as a partnership, a limited liability partnership, and even limited liability companies. Agency is a simple method of accessing a new market, usually in a new jurisdiction. Hence, often this involves having some exclusivity around the territory. With agency, the business retains its relationship directly with customers, as any contract that an agent makes with a customer would be actually with the principal, i.e. your business itself. One thing to be aware of is the agency regulations, where that agent is in the European Union, particularly in terms of the compensation which may be payable to an agent on expiry or termination. Distribution is similar to agency in many ways because it deals with access to markets. The difference with the distribution is that the distributor will be making the contract with customers on its own right. Therefore, distribution is very similar to a standard supply arrangement. The main issue with distribution is potential infringement of competition law, and therefore businesses need to be careful when looking at fixing of prices and other such anti-competitive actions. The last option to look at is franchising, and this essentially deals with a situation where a business has a brand that it could sell to other people who can then use that brand to sell the product or goods in their territory. Much like agency and distribution, franchising is often split up into different territories. It is therefore essential to get good commercial and legal advice on these different options and to consider which option might work best for your business.
To listen and view more business podcasts, log in to ukportsandlogistics.com, your partner for international maritime trade.